Hello everyone, I am Anup. In this video, I am going to give information about Boolean algebra. A Boolean algebra is a process which is used to simplify the logic expression um, with the use of some set of rules. Let's look into those rules. First one is complement. The complement of A will be written as A bar as shown in here or A dash, and if you consider A as 0, the complement will be 1. And if you take complement of the complemented input, then it will give the real input A. For example, if the A is 0, the complement of 0 is 1 and the complement of 1 is 0. So we are again getting back to A. The second rule is AND gate. In AND gate, we are having two input A and B and the output will be Y. If you are having two input, then the number of outcome will be 4. 0 0 gives 0 and 0 1 gives 0 and 1 0 gives 0 and 1 1 gives 1. The symbol of AND gate is shown in here. So let's for this instant consider the B as A input. So whenever the two A input are given at input of AND gate, then consider A as 0 and the another input is also 0 and we are getting 0 at the output. And if it is 1, then we are getting 1 at the output. So this output we are getting is similar to what we are pushing back to A. So the A dot A gives us A. Similarly, when A is multiplied with 0, then it will give 0 output. For example, A is 0, 0 and 0 gives 0 and 1 and 0 gives 0. If A is multiplied with 1, then it will give us A. If 0 is given to A, then 0 dot A gives us 0 and 1 is given to A, then 1 dot 1 gives us 1, which is equal to the A input. If A complement of A gives us a 0 output as shown in here, when 0 is given to the A input and the complement of 0 is 1, so we will get 0 at the output. Similarly, the A is given with 1 output and the complement of A is 0, then we will obtain 0 at the output. The third one is OR. So in OR gate, we are having two input and one output. So when 0 0 is given, then the output will be 0 and input is 0 1, then the output will be 1 and 1 0 gives 1 and 1 1 gives output 1. The symbol of OR gate is shown in here. So whenever the input is A plus A, consider this B as A, then it will give A input or A output only. For example, 0 plus 0 gives 0 and 1 plus 1 gives 1. And if you add with A with 0, then it will give the A input. For example, A is given with 0, 0 plus 0 gives 0 and 1 plus 0 gives 1. If A is added with 1, then it will give 1 as output. For example, A is given with 0, then 0 plus 1 is 1 and if A is given with 1, then 1 plus 1 is 1. As in digital, the 1 plus 1 gives us double 1 in the binary format. Hence, we are getting at unit value as 1. Similarly, when A is added with complement of A, then we will get 1 at the output. For example, if A is given with 0 and 0 plus 1 is 1 and A is given with 1, then 1 plus 0 is also 1. Now let's look into the distributive law. Whenever you multiply A with B or C, then you will get A and B plus or A and C. When A is when A or B dot C, then we will get A and A or B and A or C. So we can visualize this with the help of this example. As you can observe, A or complement of B, then we can write it as A or complement of A and A or B. By using this law we are writing in this format. This A or complement of A gives us 1 according to the or law. So if you consider A or B as X, then 1 and X gives X. So as X is taken as A or B, so the output will be A or B. So the next one is commutative law. In commutative law, A or B is equal to B or A and B is equal to B and A. Similarly, in associative law, that A and B, which is ANDed with C, gives us A and which ended with A and C. So then the next law is De Morgan's law. In De Morgan's law, the complement of A or B gives us A complement and B complement. Then the complement of A and B gives us the A complement or B complement. Thank you.